video, Daddy.
Oh.
Thank you. How fun. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous.
Wow, she is.
Oh.
She might nip you if you do that.
Did it hurt, Maddie? You can usually pat him on the back of the head. It's a little slow, but she might be a little feisty after all
She'll
day.
be a little feisty. Look how pretty she is.
Because they can nippy.
Wow.
But isn't she
Molly,
gorgeous?
say hi. 500 subscribers, guys.
Maddie, look at me and smile. She's real pretty. She wouldn't really bug you too much. Did you see him do the switch over?
His name is Bubbles.
That's Bubble.
Bubble. Her face. Guys, subscribe.
Love it.
Like and subscribe for more
Very
content
cool.
videos.
I love it.
Oh, thank you.